गीत सुनाती है, देश में गंगा रहता है।
छोटे बच्चों के लिए कलर बुक्स लिए हैं और आज सोचा है कि जो बड़े बच्चे हैं उनके लिए हमने एक ऑल इन वन बुक ली है जिसमें इंग्लिश, हिंदी और मैथ्स तीनों का कॉम्बिनेशन मिलेगा और बच्चों के लिए नोटबुक्स और Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at your respective places. And so here we are again. We are going to celebrate Lisa Alvarez's birthday today, and the contributor is Sujata Alvarez. I want to thank for this contribution first of all, and want to wish Lisa Alvarez a very happy birthday on the behalf of entire BBF team. We will begin our celebration with cake cutting. As you all are very well aware of, we celebrate any special day with the less privileged kids here. Even today we are going to do the same thing as well. We will begin our celebration with 3-course meal. First we are going to give them sweet lime juice, and then we are going to serve them rajma rice in a main course. And after that, we are going to give them ice cream. After that, we are going to distribute drawing books, notebooks, pens, and some more storybooks among the kids. After that, we are going from here to feed the animals. So here we are starting our celebration. And happy birthday, Lisa, once again. Wish you all the happiness and lots of colorful wishes on your way. Without wasting a single second, let's start the celebration. Happy birthday once again, Lisa. आज क्या करने वाले हैं, कुछ आइडिया है? दीदी का बर्थडे है, लीसा दीदी का, इसलिए आज हम आए हैं. उन्होंने आप सब के लिए एक छोटी सी पार्टी भेजी है, केक भेजा है और खाना भेजा है. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. क्या नाम है आपका? हिमांशी. केक काटोगे?
यस दीदी.
हाँ, केक काटा है इससे पहले?
नहीं.
कभी नहीं काटा? कितने साल के हो आप? 6 साल के हो.
यस दीदी.
आज तक केक नहीं काटा बच्चा? ये वाला केक काटना है?
काटना है.
काटना है, चलो काटते हैं. So here her name is Himanshi. She has never experienced cutting a cake, so let's make her day special as well. So happy birthday, Lisa. Thank you for making her day special as well.
हैप्पी बर्थडे लीसा दीदी.
और सबसे पहला पीस कौन खाएगा? Let's make them smile. Enjoy. आप सुनो।
पानी इसका दोस्त, टुकर टुकर देखती हमें फिर जल में छिप जाती।
और कोई आती है?
उसका पानी है, आग लगाओ मर जाओ, बाहर निकालो मर जाए।
It's time to beat the heat with fresh sweet lime juice. We are serving everybody's favorite Rajma Chawal in the main course. Too often we underestimate the power of a smile. Jingle all the way. I become a Santa once again. Happy birthday, Lisa. It's time for some cool dessert. As you all are aware of, Team BBF gives equal importance to kids' education as well. So let's help them grow. We are giving notebooks and a pen to the age group of 12 to 15 years. Book of Mix Rapidex, which will help them to improve their English skills. Multiple subject books to improve their education as well. So it has English chapters, Hindi chapters, as well as mathematics questions. Thank you, Lisa, for making their day today. As you have witnessed, kids have enjoyed thoroughly. They have given multiple blessings to Lisa. Thank you. This contribution, you have made excellent day of their life today. They have enjoyed it and given you blessings from their heart. Thank you so much once again from the entire BBF team. Thank you for letting us part of your special day as well.